because today we are going to sing about farm animals.
Hi.
Yes, hi. Nora said hi. All right, let's see if the farm animals can come out and play. You want to check? Hello, farm animals. Can you come out and play? Can you hear me? Can you hear them? Can you hear? I think I heard a cow. Oh, a cow. Look at the cow. The cow goes moo, moo. The cow goes moo. Do you want to sing about the cow? Let's sing together. Here we go. Ready? A 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job! Do you know what sound the pig makes? Oh, here's the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, hello, pig. Hi. The pig says hi. He says oink, 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 oink. And he's coming out to play too. So do you want to sing about the pig? Okay, let's go. Old Nick